Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I have an amazing skirt I want to tell you about. This athletic skirt is absolutely fantastic. I love the material it's made out of. I love how well it's made. I love that it has shorts underneath it and pockets everywhere. It is just 100% my favorite skirt. This material is so soft and breathable. It's fantastic. So you can wear this if you are playing tennis, if you're going for a run, or even if you're going out for date night or Bible study. This skirt will do everything that you need it to do. I love that little pocket in the back where I can put money. Maybe you can fit your cell phone in there. It's just fantastic, and I love that you can dress it down with just a t-shirt and a pair of cute shoes, or you can also dress this up with a nice sweater and a pair of heels or sandals, and it looks great any way that I wear it. The side pockets are nice and deep, which I like because it also has that pocket that you can zip in the back, but if that's not enough room, you have your side pockets also. I want to talk a little bit about the shorts underneath because they are so comfortable. They're just the right length. I love that they don't really ride up on me. The material is nice and soft. They are just fantastic. It's got this nice drawstring here where you can tighten it around your waist and then tuck it in. So if you're in the market for a magical skirt that goes with you everywhere that you want to go, you have found it. And that's my point of view.